That's me.
I got that on video.
You dick. I don't know what you're talking about, man. Going down is going up. Go down.
All right, let me get. Yeah, flat skid helps right there. Oh, forgot to video everybody else. You're dragging a stick. Yeah, crawling on a machine.
Oh. Yep. Yep.
Oh, oh.
Give me that over. I don't know what's on the other side of that. Go up and park it. You can always go this way too. Yeah, the side hill way.
Huh?
Oh, Jimmy, this is turning into a line.
I might have started a little too high.
This is turning into a line. Oh, there's not quite enough water here with it.
All right.
Oh shit. Oh my.
Woo.
Stick it, big girl. Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely a line. That's doable.
Not for heavy front end.
Oh. What are y'all doing up there? Oh, look at that.
This book is going to tumble. You can see it now.
Soak in the camera. I'm going to move my gatekeeper out of the way.
Woo. Oh.
Oh, straight up it. Spin the tide.
I really don't want to scratch my body up on that thing, although it's scratched already. At least not till my rock rails come in.
Twin driver. Yeah. Why you spinning tires for? Why you angry?
What's up?
Yeah, flat skid helps.
It's best to come up there and park right behind me and James. That left side is easy to fall up. Uh-oh.
Got it. Right there.
Uh-oh.
All right, got him.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Maybe it will do it.
Gotta go slow.
I'm still on the verge of tipping back.
Yeah, I'll be damned. What's on the other side?
Steep, you want to go driver?
Yeah. I don't even think I want to do that. It's going to land on its nose.
Sure is. Yeah, you got a nice little groove right there. Your driver tire is in right there.
Yeah.
That car's gonna kick you up high though. You got it. Oh yes. Nice.
Woo!
Didn't even touch.
Somebody was up here saying something the other day about there ain't no hard stuff out here anymore. Maybe there.
He hasn't come out in a long time. He lives on the other side of the water. He must have been working. He must have been working over here.
See that? Oh yeah, he's Steve. I'm gonna use the winch point though.
You want him as a winch point or something heavy like me?
Point taker.
Don't step backwards, Dakota.
I'm gonna go around Johnny here. Uh-oh, he's looking up.
I want to bring my damn class 2 rig out here and try this.
Just push my rear tire in that hole and then it won't come out.
I might try to put a sand ladder right there then.
I was gonna think about putting a rock there, just a rock to shove right in
Like,
there.
I've got these where I can pop these off really quick.
Kick you to the right.
I don't know, maybe if you went fast, you could do it. Woohoo! He's like,
In other words, which one of you buggy guys is jumping the fuck up?
challenged issued. Well, it is a long drop once it starts to fall. Yeah. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
You almost want to hang the tree.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, and zip it over, but don't do it.
I wouldn't do a head
He's
over
gonna,
heels.
don't do it, because it's gonna flip. Oh, look at that! Made it look smooth. Made it look smooth.
He's going to show you how to not do it.
Ah!
Fuck you.
Right, watch out, go. I'm going to try to hang
You're gonna
the
get
tree.
run over there.
Go,
Oh, you're gonna
I'm
watch
gonna
out.
hang the tree.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Oh my God! Well, the good thing about that extended nose,
Right?
it's got a little flex to it.
And up the other side?
Yeah, I came up the way he did, and then just did that. Just gave it a little gas. Made it easy. I did not go up this way because it ain't gonna do it. Oh, Blazer's coming. Oh, Blazer went over the edge. Did it go in the ditch?
Dry.
Oh no!
I'm dry though.
Well, don't get yourself stuck in there.
Why is it turning like
Just a little gas, it'll just zip down the hill. Oh, not enough gas. Ugh. Hey, look. What do we call these trees in the movie from the TV series? Faraway tree. It's a faraway tree. You step inside, you get teleported somewhere.
Oh, the Stranger Things.
That's From, which is pretty cool series, but you got to have an MGM. No, maybe it's on Apple TV. It's either that or you got to have an MGM Plus subscription.
Right.
Is this the one you usually have the black body on?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one has a Toyota body on it.
Oh, okay. I might be able to do that with the leafer.
Yeah, I couldn't see.
I know, it looked like some of that junk in the middle there got cleared out too.
Give that a shot. I've done that. I've made that route before. It's a very narrow route.
Yeah.
They went up the middle. My big ass ain't getting up in there. So I didn't even try it. I just went the other way. Fit your needs.
Woo! Oh, new line. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
That wasn't a flexor, if it wasn't.
Right. Everybody
Ugh. Fall off the hill. Yeah. A lot worse than it used to be. Yeah, maybe them sticks are needed. Might be needed for mine for sure. That's probably enough. Woo! Not gonna clear this. Yeah, ain't gonna make it without bumping it. Woo! Wow. Made that look so easy. Yeah, ain't that right angle. There we go.